UV light is used to decontaminate the work zone of a laminar flow cabinet before and after use. To enable this feature, make sure that the front cover is placed properly. The UV front cover is only available for Esco laminar flow cabinets with fixed sash models. Step 1. Install the Z-bar. Remove screws located at the front edge of the worktop using a screwdriver. Align the Z-bar and screw it tightly to hold it in place. Step 2. Place the UV front cover properly. Hold the handles and place each pair of the front cover tightly into the Z-bar provision. Avoid hitting any part of the cabinet to prevent scratches. Step 3. Attach the magnet to the UV front cover. The magnet activates the mainboard sensor. Once the magnet is attached, it will contact the magnetic switch behind the front cover, activating the UV interlock system. Step 4. Turn on the UV lamp. Press the UV light button. If the UV turns on, the UV feature is successfully activated. If it does not turn on otherwise, it means the front cover is not installed properly. This is part of the UV interlock system for user safety. Step 5. Remove the UV front cover. Turn off the UV lamp and carefully remove each pair of the front cover from the cabinet. Place it back in the box or on a clean tabletop. Step 6. Detach the Z-bar. Make sure to remove the Z-bar of the front cover as well. If left attached, it can potentially injure the user because of its sharp edges. Aside from using UV decontamination, it is still advised to clean the work zone using proper decontamination agents. Stay tuned for more instructional videos.